This is an answer to the question about somebody's bobbin that was not filling up properly. The motor was stopping too soon. So this here, this is the fill lever, and when you're winding a bobbin, it will be in this position here. So what it does, as soon as the bobbin is full to where it can touch that, it will push it out the way and the motor will stop. So if you want it to fill your bobbin more, if you think it's not filling it enough, you can unscrew this little screw here slightly, then this will loosen up and you can push it further out, so you can push it away a little bit. Do it in small increments because it doesn't take a lot to change it. So when you push it in, the bobbin will fill up, and when it thinks it's full, it will pop back like that. You don't want to overfill your bobbin because not only will it not work properly, but if it gets wound around, sometimes if it's overfilled, it can start to wrap around this down here, and that can be a bit of a pain. So try that. Try unscrewing the little screw, swinging this outward a little, and that will fill the bobbin more full.